Hi everyone, I'm Alexi and welcome back to Dance Curious. Today, let's talk tempo. For ballroom and Latin dances, music is usually given in terms of MPM or measures per minute. For example, for social style American rumba, it's usually given as 28 to 36 measures per minute in terms of speed. Competitive rumba is a little faster, but that's not important right now. However, when we are looking at music in a non-dance context, the speed is usually given in BPM or beats per minute. When we're practicing, there may be times that we want to slow down our music. Maybe if we're just learning a step for the first time, or we're working on technique. But most of the time, we want to be able to know that we are dancing at an appropriate speed, right? So that we're not caught unpleasantly by surprise when we go out on the dance floor and discover that, wow, this is a lot faster or even a lot slower than we were used to. So if you have a song and it says it's 144 beats per minute, how do you know if that is within your measures per minute range? Okay, now if you're a musician, this may already be obvious to you, but if you're not, all you need to know is a simple formula that will change it for you. Let's go ahead and take a look. To convert our MPM or measures per minute range into beats per minute or BPM, you'll multiply by the number of beats per bar. I'm not going to go into an in-depth explanation of all those terms right now, but if you'd like me to make a video explaining some musical terms and concepts and how they relate to dance, comment below, I'd be happy to do it. But all you need to know at this particular moment is that the beats per bar is going to be the top number of the time signature. For example, waltz is in 3/4 time and cha-cha is in 4/4 time. So the beats per bar is going to be that top number. So for waltz it would be 3 and for cha-cha it will be 4. In this case, since we're going to play around with a rumba song, which is in 4/4 time, we'll multiply by 4 to convert our range to BPM, which turns 28 to 36 measures per minute into 112 to 144 beats per minute. Now, if you want to go ahead and directly convert beats per minute to measures per minute and do it the other way, it's very simple. Just go ahead and divide your beats per minute for a particular song by the number of beats per bar. Again, for say rumba or any dances in 4/4 time, that will be by 4. For dances in 3/4 time, that'll be by 3. In 2/4 time, by 2. You get the picture. And then you can immediately check a particular song. So you can easily do the calculation either way. I forgot to add, check out my website, which I've linked below, for a cheat sheet of all of the American style measures per minute ranges. All right, everyone, I think that's it for today. Please like, subscribe, and share if you found this to be helpful. It's very helpful to me when you do that. And if there's anything that you'd like me to answer, feel free to comment down below and I'll take a look. And if you're in Los Angeles and you'd like to learn from me, feel free to contact me. All the details are in my website, which is linked in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.